Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to give you an assignment which is based on using nth-child in CSS selectors. This concept I've explained in detail in the previous session. So go back to the previous session, gain knowledge and come back to this session for solving this challenge as part of this assignment. Now let me explain this challenge so that you will solve it as per my instructions. For solving this challenge, you need to open the browser and go to this sample application page, that is omio.blogspot.com. So once you are taken to this page, scroll down and on the left side, you will see this ordered list. Here we have 6 list items under this ordered list. Now you need to locate the fourth list item by using this nth-child in CSS selectors as part of this solving the challenge. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.